We are pleased to show you the 2024 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice-activated navigation system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.